early.
Big show. What color you using right
I got on here right now. This one is called guacamole, I believe. Let me look at it. Yeah, that's guacamole. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I got to say it right. It's called that guacamole. You got to say it like that.
Oh.
Let's see. That's one. Okay. All right.
North side up there. I know.
So is that house an Airbnb?
Huh?
Is that house an Airbnb?
There we go.
Is that house an Airbnb?
What's that?
The one you're staying in. Oh, that's a nice fish too.
No, it's our house.
Oh, that's your house. Okay.
Yeah, that's a good crappie. That one will do.
That was a good. She gonna make the cut.
Not huge, but she'll do.
She gonna make the cut.
Yeah.
Over 10 inches. That's about 11 inches.
Yeah, man.
That's a nice size
All
fish.
day long. Exactly. Crappie, people don't realize, you got a 10-inch fish. It's a good
That's
fish.
a good fish.
That's what you want to put in the frying pan.
Yep. Yep.
And
especially if you.
You get a 12-inch, you got a big slab. Right. Right there.
So here you are right there. I think that's you far. Go right down there. Keep off. I don't real. And then what'll happen is it'll fall down and it'll pendulum back to you.
Oh, get it. I get it, man. I'm happy for you, man. Yes, he's right the same.
Straight out there. Yep. Here's your bait right here. Don't reel. That's your bait right there. Let it fall some more. Okay, keep on. See, that's you right there. There's a fish right there. Oh, did you just get hit?
No.
Let it drop some more. Let it keep on. You see all the fish moving now?
Yeah.
I think when you put your line, but that's okay. Let it drop some more. Yeah. Decent fish. That's a decent fish. She gonna make the cut. Yeah, let it drop a little bit. And then start reeling it up slow. Like I said, when you think you're going too slow, slow down. You can't go too slow. Oh, it looks like something done pull your pants down on you.
I'm getting bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you know when you get bit, you're supposed to set the hook, right?
Well, I can't feel them.
Oh yeah. Now that's the thing. It's a
I'm
different.
trouble picking this up.
Yeah. If they don't give you a good thump, it's just when you feel that little twitch, set the hook. Got him. I got him. She tried to make me think she was in a tree. She tried to make me think that she was in a tree, but I felt the wiggling. I'm pretty sure that's a catfish. I'm pretty sure that's a catfish. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. She's a kitty. There you go. Get off my boat. Come on. Hey. You do all that splashing, I'm gonna take some pictures. Somebody's gonna eat you. I'm trying to let you go. Let it go. God dog, I knew I should have lifted it. She's going with a hook in her mouth. She got off. Broke my line, but I'm trying to pick it up. Dum. Where's my net? Get out of here before it gets to be too hot. That's what I'm gonna do. That's a wrap. I gotta cut the grass and then I'm headed home. I gotta work this afternoon. Deuces.